How to make all TikTok videos private. In this video, I will show you how to make all TikTok videos private. The first step is to open or launch the TikTok mobile application. You will land on the homepage of the app where you will see all the different posts that have been shared. After that, proceed and tap on the profile icon. It is this icon here at the bottom right corner of the screen. This is the profile page of your account. On this page, there are many different sections that you can use to navigate to different pages of your profile. At the bottom of the page are the posts that I'm going to make private. Tap on the menu option. It is this option at the top right corner of the screen with the hamburger symbol. A menu with several options pops up from the bottom as you can see here. From those options, tap this one named Settings and Privacy. You will land on the Settings page of the app where you will see several different options that you can use to manage and make changes to the settings of the app, as you can see here. After that, scroll down. Ensure you are following the tutorial step by step to avoid making any mistakes. Next, come to this section named Contact and Display. Under the section, there are more options. From those options, tap this one here named Activity Center. Finally, you will land on this page where there are different options that you can use to manage the different activities in your account. From the options here, the one we need is the one here named Manage Post Visibility. After that, you will land on this page where you will see all the videos or posts you have shared on the app. As you can see, TikTok is informing us that this is a beta feature, which means it is still under testing and new, and it may not work well sometimes. I have tested it and it works fine for me. What you have to do now is to tap on the circles beside each post to select it. Go through all the posts and select them just like I'm doing here. After you are done selecting the posts, then go ahead and tap here, Next. After that, this other menu where you can choose the audience visibility of your posts appears. From them, choose this one named Only You. This will set all your selected videos to private ones. The process is that simple. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks! That is how to make all TikTok videos private.